Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Suzanne and today's video is going to be on another foundation review. And today I have the Mercier and this is called Flawless Lumiere Radiance Perfecting Foundation. And I have my shade Cashew 2-in-1. Comes in a glass bottle. It looks exactly the same as her matte foundation, but the cap is different and the glass, it was frosty. This is not frosty at all, and it's a cute packaging. It's very slim. You get 1 fluid ounce in here, and it's $60 Canadian. So I'm gonna try it out today. I have dry skin and I love to try glowy foundations. I love them so much. I don't have any makeup on at the moment. I have just my brows done. So I'm gonna prime my skin with this Gucci Silk Priming Serum. Really like this one. It doesn't feel like silicone at all, but it gives you that smooth base. It comes with a pump as the other one as well. So I'm going to take 1 pump. It's really tiny, so I'm going to do another one. So I'm going to do one side of my face, and I'm just going to dot it. And I'm just going to compare the colors as well with my with her matte foundation. So this is her Flawless Fusion Ultra Long Wear Foundation called Cashew 2-in-1, but this is the matte foundation and this is the new Radiant foundation. The matte foundation looks really light, so if you order this online based on this, just kind of be aware. So this is the matte. It's a little bit light, so if you can see, I'm gonna swatch this. So yeah, it is a little bit light than the new one. Yeah, this is a little bit darker than her other foundation. So this claims for medium coverage, so we'll see. Okay, so I just applied a little bit more. It smells like the Double Wear foundation. Probably less fragrance, but it's the same scent. It's really pretty on the skin. Gives you a beautiful glow actually. I really like that. Far so good. I really love the color. I love the finish of this foundation. It's blending really nicely and it's very healthy looking. I really love it. Like you can see the top of my cheekbones are really glowy. So far so good. So this is the foundation and this is the foundation side. I'm really excited. I'm going to do the same here. So you need at least 4 pumps of this foundation. If you go with a quick layer, it would be light to medium. I kind of build it up, so 2 layers of this foundation. I got 4 pumps of this foundation on my face today. But don't forget that the pumps of this foundation, they're really tiny. So if you squeeze 2 pumps, it equals 1 pump of other foundations. This is what the foundation looks like. It's really pretty, very glowy, but it's not overly dewy. It's tacky. It doesn't set. I can see it on my fingers if you see it on camera. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to conceal, powder, and I will show you guys what it looks like after all the makeup is done. So now it's 4:04. It's been like 5 minutes on my face at the moment. So I will do my makeup and I will be back. So I just finished my makeup. It's 4:30 and the foundation looks great. I did set it with a powder, just very lightly though. I use this Kevyn Aucoin. This is the Sensual Skin Powder Foundation. Very lightly with this It Cosmetics brush, like just dust it all over. And I used the Patrick Star Matte Cosmetics for my under eyes, and that was it. And everything blended really nicely on my skin. I really love the way it looks. It looks really healthy, not too foundation-y, you know what I mean? Like it looks flawless, but it doesn't look cakey or heavy or anything like that. It's not accentuating anything on my nose, which I really have flaky nose at the moment. It's really pretty. I really love the finish of it, and I'm looking at myself in the mirror. It's looking really good. I really love the finish of it, and it looks really nice and natural. So stick with me for another maybe a few minutes for you guys. So I'm just gonna do my things, and I will come and check with you guys at the end of the night. Hey guys, so I am back and it's 10:12 at night, so it has been on my face for over 6 hours, and I have to say it looks great. It lasted very long. It's not looking funny or anything like that. The only thing I noticed that it kind of settled like into the corners of my nose right here, but it's not so bad. For me, if I see this, I just kind of go with my finger and just dab and get the access. It's not shiny or greasy anywhere. It's just all highlighted. Even on my chin area, if you see that it's a little bit of a shine, it's just a little bit of highlight that I did earlier today. But everything looks great, exactly the same. Blush, highlight is popping still. Everything, like even my forehead looks really, really smooth. I really like it, and I'm really like zoomed you in guys to see what it looks like. Even I'm really impressed with this lipstick that it's still on. I was eating and drinking. This is the NYX one. These are the new ones. I'll post them somewhere here. Everything looks really good. Like even my smiling lines, they're not really bad at all. Really like it. It's really nice. I highly recommend it. I don't know if it's gonna be good for people with oily skin just because it's radiant, but to be honest, like on me when I wore it, it wasn't that greasy looking at the beginning. And I did set it with a little bit of powder, but yeah, it looks great, and it looks so soft. Like everything looks so smooth on my skin. It looks so darn good. Like I really, really like it. I love those kind of foundations that are glowy but not too greasy, and it looks good throughout the day and it doesn't get greasier. Yeah, I really like it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe before you leave, and I will see you guys in my next video.